How to change background color in Canva. So first, for example, this is your photo, okay? And let's say you want to change the background color of this picture here. So you can't really change the background color unless you've removed the background first. Since this is a photo, you need to remove the background from this person first. So let's say we want to change the color here. Just click on the photo and then click on BG remover. So and then you can add a new background from there. So I'll just go upload a new one since I don't have a BG remover since I'm using a free plan. So for example, I'm going to remove this and then add this. So for example, you've already removed the background from the person earlier, okay, and it looks like this without any background. So once it looks like this, you can then add a new background. So let's say a blue background, and then just click anywhere here, then layer it, send it backward, so it would look like this, right? Now if you want to change the background again, you can just click on the background and then just delete it, and then choose another one. Let's say yellow, then choose a color, and then of course right click and then layer again, and then send backward. So this picture would be on the top of this one, and then just drag your color and it would look like this. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.